Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'll be showing you how to sound like Kuru. I covered his song Noir K off his recent album Backstage Hologram, so it's based off of his new recent sound. So this is an updated version of this last video that we had on the channel before. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and play the cover for you, and then I'm gonna go and break the preset down for you guys afterwards.
And it's 2K just for the bag, the bitch, you can't even get a fragment, I gotta walk my set, gotta check my pants when the shit gets stagnant. And I gotta go take me a step back, cause bail's scared of attachment. In the back of the double, I truck on my back and he take on the mappers and bag it. We put this shit from the ground, you getting that money from daddy. 2K pins in my pocket, I'm taking this shit when this shit get crappy. It's the only way, you could just pick up the pieces for me like a caddy.
Alright, so let's get to setting it up. So whenever you drag and drop the files, the preset files into your FL, just put it in wherever you want. This is how I organize it. So once it's dragged into your tracks, into your mixer track, it's gonna look like this. What you want to do with the main is unlink it from the master and route it into the route for all preset, and then do the same thing for the layer. And this is just how I like to set up my presets. It gives me more like a bigger range of like things that I could change, so that's why I like to do routes and stuff like that. And for the main OTT, just in case if it stops working, this is the settings for the main OTT, and then this is the settings for the route OTT. There you go. And then this one's the layer OTT. This is obviously just in case, because I know sometimes OTT stops working. That's the only plugin you need to download, aside from I guess autotune, but both of those are included in the preset pack. And autotune doesn't matter, any autotune works. This is just 0 retune speed, and that's really it. And then obviously the key of the song is this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the actual preset plugins that you need and all that. That's how you set it up. And so I'm gonna go ahead and play the vocals by themselves, and then I'm gonna turn on and off the presets so you guys could hear the difference it makes.
And it's 2K just for the bag, the bitch, you can't even get a fragment, I gotta walk my set, gotta check my pants when the shit gets stagnant. And I gotta go take me a step back, cause bail's scared of attachment. In the back of the double, I truck on my back and he take on the mappers and bag it. We put this shit from the ground,
Alright, so there you go. That's what the preset sounds like. I'm gonna play the main vocals while turning them on and off so you can hear the raw and the mixed version side by side.
And it's 2K just for the bag, the bitch, you can't even get a fragment, I gotta walk my set, gotta check my pants when the shit gets stagnant. And I gotta go take me a step back, cause bail's scared of attachment. In the back of the double, I truck on my back and he take on the mappers and bag it. We put this shit from the ground.
Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the layers.
And it's 2K just for the bag, the bitch, you can't even get a fragment. I gotta walk my step, gotta check my pants when shit gets stagnant. Bitch. Go, bag it. Hold up. Teams. Hold up. All my 14 pants. Hold up, man, honey, man. Blazing for like a fancy, doing my fancy mile. Observing shit like I was Benny Cam. And it's 2K touch for the bag, the bitch.
Alright, so there you go, you get the idea. That's really it for the presets. Since it's only 3 presets, it's really only 3 presets, so it's really not that complicated at all. There's not much setting up because it's really simple. These presets are really like versatile. You could use it for literally any song. I already did so, and it sounds really good. And yeah, all you gotta do is a simple drag and drop. Now that if you want the template, I also include the FLP version. I'm gonna send this. Is gonna have this exact FLP in there, so you can hear the vocals. You can have all my raw vocals, I guess. I don't know if you want that, but it's in there for this for this preset. Also, there's a Lifeline Discord server in the description. It's a server with 2,000 members. It's like a community hub server, so join that if you're interested. Community music hub. Get to know some people, put your music out there, work with hella new people and all that. And yeah, maybe there's some artists in there that you also already know about and listen to. If you need custom mixing or custom presets, you could always hit me up at 7akkiro on Discord and Instagram. And just, yeah, if you need any help with any other issues with other presets, also hit me up there. But besides that, that's pretty much it for this video. That's all I have for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, peace out. You guys have a good day. And yeah, peace out. Have a good day.